My name is Suzanne Bryan, and I love to make videos about knitting techniques. You've landed on my page. If you're a knitter, you might want to subscribe to my channel. I love to show how to work fine details in knitting. I consider myself actually a knitting engineer. So if you would like to learn how, why, when to use different techniques and how to fix mistakes, you've come to the right place. I have hundreds of videos, and you can find what you're looking for by going to the videos right here and clicking on it. And then you can search the videos by topic, by date, by how many views they've accumulated. But I have something on just about everything. I not only show you how to work the process, but also how to fix mistakes. As you can see, most of my videos are very short. They're only a few minutes long. I do longer tutorials also on my live streams, and if you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you will get notifications in advance about upcoming live streams which you can participate in, but they're also recorded and you can watch them after the fact also. I hope you choose to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you do, be sure to mark the little bell, click on the little bell so you'll get notifications when I upload new videos or when I'm going to be doing my live streams. And I hope you come back and watch some more. Happy knitting!